Okay, Asia session live. Looking at gold right now. Strong push to the downside, hard time frame breakout levels, mostly bearish, peak bias, mostly bearish as well. And I'm looking for a pullback to take this down. So there was one earlier. I wasn't available to trade earlier. And now we have this M15 bar that closed below this H8 breakout level. So H8 has flipped bearish, and I'm looking for a pullback to take this down. Been updating the indicator recently. Haven't updated it in TradingView, but updating my personal one. Basically added some alerts, and I've also added the entry bars to be exactly the same as my entry patterns. So now everything works perfectly. I'm going to test it out for about 2 weeks or so before I update it on TradingView. But so far, everything looks pretty okay. Liking how everything is working. Gives me some really good entries. And so that's what I'll be trading. So I just set it on trigger bars, highlight. Once I do that, it sets, gives me all the possible entries and gives me the which entry bars I get, as well as the type. So at the top there, trend breakout, trend reversal. So it does all that automatically now. So essentially, I'm just waiting for a pullback. I'm not going to take any of these. I need to see the pullback first. M15 get faked out, the high, and then I want to see a pullback, faking out a high, and then I can take it down. Maybe I can drop down to 15 seconds and take that. So on the 15 seconds, I trade the 15-minute bar. And so maybe I'll look at the 15 seconds instead. So here it did fake out the M5 high. Breakout followed by inside. I would expect price to come up to here. Actually, I'll trade it on that 15 seconds. Got the Asia scanner set up as well, but nothing much. I'm also looking at UJ. Took a nice trade on UJ in New York session yesterday, right at this fake out level. Took it down right at that high and down to the, this is a previous week high over here, previous week low. So nice move on UJ. Also took USD Swiss, but focus on the Asia pairs at the moment. Been focusing on major pairs. I've been scalping a lot, so I like to trade pairs with really low spread, and that's usually going to be these three in Asia. Okay, gonna wait for alerts. Okay, prices come up on gold, fake that or trigger that M15 high. Gonna look for a reversal. Check UJ as well. UJ not quite there yet. Gonna focus on gold. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for price to start rolling over. Okay, sell setup here coming down. Say trend reversal. Looking for continuation. Okay, got in on this push down. Stop loss at the highs. Okay, first position there. Okay, M15 close outside bar. That's not good. That tells me I'm in a range. So I would expect price to come up. If it does come out, then most likely I'll be taken out here, but I'll just get in again. Okay, price pushing down, waiting for continuation. This is a retracement breakout. Looking for continuation underneath this M5 breakout level. If it continues down, then I'll take another entry there, sizing in here and here. Okay, price coming down. Gonna size in if there's continuation here. Okay, got in. Second position in. Stop loss at the same level. Okay, two positions in. Basically, looking at this one, there's a breakout, trend breakout, broke out below the breakout level. So this was a fake out retracement move. Price broke out down below, came back above. Actually, this is a complex entry pattern. So price, bearish one, price broke out, came down, came back above at the high over here. That's a fake out retracement. That was my first position. And then getting below that breakout level is a re-breakout. And then getting below the previous low, below that breakout level is a trend breakout. So complex entry pattern. That was my entry. And I'm still gonna size into this one. I just keep sizing in until there's no more reasons for me to get in. So my goal at the moment, trading like this, is so I see how my setups are performing. And so I'm keeping data on this. Something I don't like is this one that's kind of in the random area, retracement breakout. So these are um, things that I need to kind of clean up, figure out rules to prevent these sort of. I didn't take this one. I took the one down here, but I don't want to see these ones. So I already know what sort of rule I'm gonna fix to take away these things. And so trading down at these low time frames allow me to see my entries a lot faster and see what I can fix up. So my goal right now, when I'm trading down low like this, I will say that my strategy is completely fractal. So technically, the way that I trade down here should be exactly the same as how I trade on the higher time frames. And so this is what I'm kind of trying to accomplish at the moment. Okay, M5 is breaking out over here. If we can get down below here, I'll size in. Actually, I have to be careful about this one. 10 more minutes. I need to see this close and break out. If this doesn't close and break out, it's going to be an inside bar, which creates a range. And if this turns into an inside bar, then my positions here are in a bit of trouble. So I think I'll wait for the 10 minutes to close first. Either that, or if it starts pushing strong below here, then I'll be interested. But I'm risking right now 2R to make 18R. I think that's okay. This position, yeah, I'll wait for the 1 hour bar first. Actually, I'm just going to go for it. Okay. To get over here, reason why is it's kind of just been hanging around here for quite some time already. And this is a decent risk to reward. I'm okay taking this one. So down to the lows over here is 4.5R. Risking 1R to make 4R, that's good enough. That's probably the minimum that I would want to be taking if I'm trading like this. Right, so I think that's it. 3 positions. I probably would want to hold it even lower than this, but let's see, 4 hour. We've broken out above previous month high. Faked out the previous week high. Week breakout level is still down low, so not confident that the monthly is flipping yet. Okay, yeah. I think I'll just hold it down to that previous day low. And that's it. Done with Asia session. I only trade until 11. So I'm done here, 11, right at 11. So that's it. End of my session. Let's see what happens here. Okay, price pushing down nicely. Gonna drop down and see if it starts to reverse. I'm just gonna exit here. Close enough. So I'm not gonna risk all this profit I made just to get this little bit. So if this starts to come back and fake this out, I'm just gonna take my profits. Let's see. Think I will take. It's also getting stuck at that H1 low as well. With gold, I do want to take quick profits. Sometimes you get things like this where you would expect the target to go all the way down and then it doesn't do that. So I take my targets. I take my profits quick on gold. Gonna take full because higher time frames are still bullish, even though it is starting to turn. Um, Still quite some time until I would be confident about taking a longer term sell. Okay, just let's see if this starts to if this gives me a reversal entry, then I'm gonna take exit my position. Okay, I got a reversal right here, and I am. Let's see if this starts to push up. Gonna exit. Okay, I'm all out on gold, and that's it. Calculate this quick. All right, so that was a 15R move. Still okay. Didn't quite. Well, I do think it's going to continue on down, but my session's done, and if it starts to pull back, I'll be able to find another entry, and I'm not going to risk, all the profit that I made just to make a little bit extra. All right, so that is it, and done for Asia session. So again, higher time frames were pushing down. Saw this on the M15, I think. Saw an M15 push down this breakout bar, push down. I got in on the pullback, dropped down to the 15 seconds where I trade that M15 bar, and then got my setups all coded in properly now. So all I have to do is just wait for the entry. Can't remember which one. Was it this one? Fake high retracement. Yep. So this was the M15. It flipped up. I think it was this one I took. Fake out retracement, stop loss at the high, and then I added in as price continued going in my direction. So I pretty sure I can't remember which ones I took, but pretty sure we're in a range here. And when we broke out, I probably took one here, and then yeah, I mean you can watch it again if you want to know which ones I took. But basically, as price gets going in my direction, then I just size in. Um, Yeah. So the strategy is completely fractal. You can trade whatever time frame you want. This would have been the best entry on the higher time frames, the M10 H4 trend reversal. So we have the breakout level came up, faked out the high, and then flipped that breakout level. It's a false breakout. This could have been the first entry, but it's too early for me to take this one. And then getting below that low, below that breakout level is a trend reversal. So this one right here, trend reversal, we're below that breakout level. So here's the H4 breakout level. Price came up, faked out the high, breakout reversal, flipped that breakout level, and then got below the low trend reversal. So this would have been the perfect entry to take. But again, I wasn't paying attention at this time. That would have been a nice one to take. If you don't want to trade those M1 and the seconds time frames. Also, AU and NZD, USD also gave some nice moves. I had them, but I prefer pullback before instead of taking these breakout ones. And I was looking for a sell on UJ, didn't present. Might come up and fake this out, then I'll look at it again. But we'll see. Inside day, outside day. So actually, we're in a range here, so I have to be careful about this. But I'll have a look at it later. All right, so that's it. Asia session done. Took one trade on gold. Can't remember what was that, 15R, and now done.